Hello children, let's continue with chapter number 3, the whip. After 3 happy years at Wartwick, I learned that my mistress was ill. The master looked very sad all the time and the doctor came every day. Then we heard that she must leave Wartwick and go to a warm country for 2 or 3 years. This was very sad news for everyone. Now, after 3 years at Wartwick, at Scare Gordon's place, where Black Beauty was living, I learned means Black Beauty. He learned that his mistress, she was not getting well. And the master also looked very sad all the time and the doctor came every day. So every day the doctor visited and give treatment, and looking at the condition of the mistress, the master was also very sad because she was not getting well. Then we heard that she must leave Wartwick and go to a warm country for 2 to 3 years. Now it was heard that her condition is not improving. She has to go to a warm country, as at Wartwick it was very cold over there, and she has to move to a warm country for at least 2 to 3 years. Then only she will be fine. This was very sad news for everyone. After all, the horses and the people over there like John and Joe, all were unhappy. They were sad to hear this news because they were really living in a very friendly environment. And although their master was also very kind to them. Ginger and I had a lot of work to do before the master and mistress left England. So now they are moving from here, from this place, England, and Ginger, the other horse over there, Ginger is a female horse. So they have to do a lot of work because their master is going to leave from here, and they were given the task that all the work, so many things to be done. Winding up is going on. Master gave merry legs to Mr. Blomfield, the vicar, and sent Joe with him. Now master is going along with his wife, so he gave merry legs to a person. The vicar is a person who is performing, working in a religious place, like to guide the people, like priest, you can say. So, and sent Joe with him. He told Ginger and me to a friend who had a farm where he thought we could be happy. So Black Beauty and Ginger, they moved to a new farm. The owner was Mr. Scare Gordon's friend, and he thought that Ginger and Black Beauty, they will be happy over there. He will look after Ginger and Black Beauty. He shook hands with John and wished him well. So he is about to leave now. So he shook his hands with John and wished him well. He gave good wishes to him. If I can help you, John, write to me. I thank you for your good work. So he told John that if you need me anytime, you write to me, because at that time there were no phones, so people used to write letters to each other. So he said, Mrs. Keir Gordon said that if you need my help anytime, you can write to me, and I'm very thankful to you for your good work. The services you have provided to me, I'm very thankful to you for this. Ginger and I pulled the carriage up to the front door for the last time. Now, for the last time, we are there in that farm with our master Keir Gordon, and we are working him for the last time. We are pulling the carriage to the front door from where Mrs. Keir Gordon is leaving. John jumped up. So he jumped up the carriage and we trotted slowly. We walked slowly, trotted slowly. Means proceed faster than a walk. Short steps. You can say short steps. So we started and through the farm, through that farm where we were living, to the railway station. So they were both together in Keir Gordon's home for the last time, and they pulled the carriage towards the railway station. So this was your lesson number 3, the whip. Thank you.